Rolando's HVAC, your contractor in Wesley Chapel, Florida. Struggling to keep your home comfortable with unreliable heating and cooling systems? At Rolando's HVAC, we offer top-quality, affordable solutions with over 200 years of combined experience. From AC repair to heater installations, we ensure your home stays cozy year-round. Trust our certified professionals for services like AC repair, air conditioner replacement, air conditioning maintenance, HVAC installation, heater installation and repair, furnace services, and heat pump solutions. For reliable service in Wesley Chapel, contact Rolando's HVAC at 813-373-6804 or visit rolandoshvac.com for a free quote.